Morning students. So in previous class we are discussing about transformation formula. Based on those formula to solve some examples in previous class. Okay. Now today we will continue same formula. We can use same formula to some more problems, to solve some more problems. Okay. Now here problem number 11, that is 5 mark question, important sum. Prove that cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos of 9x by 2 is equal to sin 5x into sin 5x divided by 2. Okay. Now how to solve? Now here take LHS. What is LHS part? Cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos 9x by 2 is equal to. Okay. Now here apply transformation formula. How to solve? Put 2x is equal to a. 2x is a ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ and x by 2 call it as b. It b ಅಂತ. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು? It is in the form cos a cos b. ಹೌದಾ? As you know the formula, cos a cos b is equal to, do you remember? ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Using transformation formula, cos a cos b is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಾನೆ? Okay, apply that formula. Cos a cos b is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket cos of a plus b. 1 by 2 into bracket cos of a plus b. What is a value here? 2x. B value x by 2. Okay. Plus cos of a minus b. Again a value 2x minus b value x by 2. In the other term of the value. Okay. Minus again another two term. Same concept. Put 3x equal to a. 9x by 2 is equal to b. It is in the form cos a into cos b. Okay? But cos a cos b formula 1 by 2 into bracket cos of a plus b. A value 3x plus b value 9x by 2 plus cos of a minus b. A value 3x, b value 9x by 2. Correct? Cos a cos b formula apply ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. Then simplify. So that is equal to, from those two, what is common? 1 by 2 common is there. Okay, simplify. Cos of, take the LCM. LCM of those two is 2. Here 1 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 4x plus 1x, 5x by 2. Correct? Plus cos of, again take the LCM. LCM is 2. 1 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 4x minus 1x, 3x by 2. Right? 1 by 2 common minus cos of, again take the LCM. LCM is 2. 1 2s are 2 1s are 3 2s are 6. 6x plus 9x, 15x by 2. Minus into plus, minus, below minus there, minus into plus, minus cos of, again take the LCM. LCM is 2. 1 2s are 2 1s are 3 2s are 6x minus 9x minus 3x. Correct? So 1 by 2 common, cos of LCM to 5x by 2 plus cos of 3x by 2 minus cos of, again take the LCM and simplify, cos of 15x by 2 minus into plus minus cos of, LCM is 2. 1 2s are 2 1s are 3 2s are 6x minus 9x minus 3x by 2. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket cos 5x by 2 plus cos of 3x by 2 minus cos of 15x by 2 minus put 3x by 2 3x by 2 ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ theta ಅಂತ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು it is in the form cos of minus theta correct apply allied angle as you know that if the angle minus theta or 180 plus or minus theta or 360 plus or minus theta what happen trigonometric ratios remains same allied angle topic isn't it but minus theta lies in which quadrant rotation is clockwise angle is decreases that angle lies in which quadrant fourth quadrant in fourth quadrant ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇತ್ತು fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos and sec ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು cos ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cos of minus theta ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು cos theta cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta value 3x by using allied angle okay observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ plus cos 3x by 2 minus cos 3x by 2 cancel 1 by 2 into bracket cos of 5x by 2 minus cos of 15x by 2 okay now that is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket again put 5x by 2 is equal to c and 15x by 2 call it as d now it is in the form cos c minus cos d again you know that what is the formula for cos c minus cos d using transformation formula do you remember what is that minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2 ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು remember cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 apply that formula minus 2 sin c plus d what is c c value 5x by 2 plus d value 15x by 2 divided by 2 c plus d divided by 2 into sin of c minus d what is c value 5x by 2 minus d value 15x by 2 by 2 by using transformation formula okay then simplify 1 by 2 into bracket minus 2 sin in the numerator take the LCM ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 ಹೌದಾ numerator LCM is 2 2 ones are 2 ones are 5x plus 15x 20x by 2 whole divided by 2 correct into sin of again LCM is here 2 2 ones are 5x minus 15x minus 10x by 2 whole divided by 2 ones are 2 tens are 2 ones are 2 5s that is 1 by 2 into bracket minus 2 sin 10x by 2 right into sin of minus 5x by 2 that 2 to cancel right that is equal to minus sin 10x by 2 into again what can you do put 5x by 2 is equal to theta 5x by 2 theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು it is in the form sin of minus theta correct sin of minus theta using allied angle again you know that if the angle minus theta what happen trigonometric ratios remain same how's but minus theta lies in which quadrant fourth quadrant in fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತವು cos and sec are positive sin ಏನಿರಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ sin of minus theta ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು minus sin theta sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta theta value 5x by 2 correct that is equal to minus into minus plus sin 10x by 2 10x by 2 divided by 2 2 ones are 2 5s are that is 5x into sin of 5x by 2 minus into minus plus sin of 5x into sin of 5x by 2. That is equal to RHS. ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 12 ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಎನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. what is that? Prove that cos square x plus cos square of x plus pi by 3 plus cos square of x minus pi by 3 is equal to 3 divided by 2. Oh, how to solve? Look here. Now before solving that, you know that by using multiple angle formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So cos 2x is equal to cos 2a is equal to 4 formula. What are those? Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1, or one more. What is that? 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Correct? Out of 4, which formula you can take here in this example? Look here. In this example, in left hand side, all terms in terms of cos. All values in terms of cos. Ella values ಎದರಲ್ಲಿದೆ? cos ಒಳಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cos ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? cos 2x is equal to we take 2 cos square x minus 1. Don't take 1 minus 2 sin square x. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 1 minus 2 sin square x ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin square ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? So we take cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Rearrange ಇದರಿಂದ. Therefore 2 cos square x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? Take this one. 2 cos square x is equal to cos 2x minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ plus 1. That is 1 plus cos 2x. Correct? Now we need only cos square x, but here 2 cos square x. So what can you do? Eliminate 2. So that what can you do? Divide both sides by 2. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 2 ನಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So we got the value for cos square x. Right? Now take LHS. What is LHS part? Cos square x plus cos square of x plus pi by 3 plus cos square of x minus pi by 3 is equal to RHS 3 by 4. That equals cos square x value 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 plus again convert second term in terms of that standard formula. Put x plus pi by 3 ಇದೇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Put x plus pi by 3 equal to capital X. Again it is in the form cos square capital X. Cos square capital X value ಏನಿದೆ? 1 plus cos 2 capital X. Capital X value x plus pi by 3 divided by 2. X place ಒಳಗೆ x plus pi by 3. Similarly ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? x place ಒಳಗೆ capital X place ಅಲ್ಲಿ x minus pi by 3. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? 1 plus cos 2 capital X value x minus pi by 3 divided by 2. Correct? Oh, now that is equal to, observe it, in the denominator what are the numbers? 2. 2 is same ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. So take 2 common ತಗೊಂಡು. ಹೌದಾ? Next numerator 1 plus 1 totally 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 that is 3 plus cos 2x plus cos of, remove that bracket open ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 into x 2x 2 into pi by 3 2 pi by 3, right? Plus cos of 2 into x 2x minus 2 into pi by 3. Correct? Oh, that equals 1 by 2 into bracket 3 plus second term as it is cos 2x. Take third and fourth term. Even term that is. What can you do? Put 2x plus 2 pi by 3, call it as c. Click c and hold it. and 2x minus 2 pi by 3 call it as t. Now it is in the form cos c plus cos d. Again, you know the formula cos c plus cos d using transformation formula. Remember, what is that? Cos c plus cos d is equal to what? 2 times cos of c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Remember, cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 times cos of c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 times cos of c plus d, c value 2x plus 2 pi by 3 plus d 2x minus 2 pi by 3 by 2, right, into cos of c minus d 2x plus 2 pi by 3 minus d value needed 2x minus 2 pi by 3 multiply by minus sign minus 2x, correct, minus into minus plus 2 pi by 3 by c minus d, c value 2x plus 2 pi by 3 minus d value minus 2x minus into minus plus 2 pi by 3 divided by 2. Okay, then simplify, so that 1 by 2 into bracket 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 cos plus 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3 cancel up. 2x plus 2x, how much? 4x. 4x divided by 2 and just 2x into cos of plus 2x minus 2x cancel up. 2 pi by 3 degree ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? pi value 180. 180 divided by 3 60 degree. 60 into 2 120. 120 degree, this is also 120 degree. 120 degree plus 120 degree 240 degree, correct? 120 plus 120 240 degree. 240 degree divided by 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 120 degree, correct? Because pi radian degree convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 180 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 180 divided by 3 60. 60 into 2 120. This is 120. This is also 120. 120 plus 120 240 divided by 2 ones are 2 120s are, that is 120, right? Then simplify. 1 by 2 into bracket 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x into cos. Verify whether 120 degree is its standard angle. No. Is it quadrant angle? No. So split up the angle 120 degree in terms of quadrant angles. How to convert it? 120 degree can be written as 180 degree minus 60 degree, or if you take 90 degree plus 30 degree, isn't it? Because 90 degree is quadrant angle, 180 degree is quadrant angle. Don't split 120 degree. It can be written as 100 plus 20. Of course, 100 plus 20 degree is 120, but 100 degree that is not quadrant angle. Now ಇದು split ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ it should be quadrant angle. ಎದರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? Quadrant angle ದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So 120 degree can be written as 180 minus 60 or 90 degree plus 30 degree. Here, oh, next 1 by 2 into bracket 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x. Now apply allied angle. How to solve? The second term theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತಿದು? It is in the form 180 minus theta. As you know that if the angle 180 degree plus or minus theta, what happen? Trigonometric ratios remains same. Cos theta, correct? But 180 degree minus theta lies in which quadrant? 180 degree minus theta lies in which quadrant? 180 degree minus theta means less than 180 degree. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ less than 180 degree ಯಾವ quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Second quadrant. Second quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವು? A S T C. Second quadrant, yes. Yes means what? Sin theta and cosec theta are positive, correct? But cos ಏನ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ allied angle three conditions correct ಆಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sin theta and cosec theta are positive. remaining p ratios are negative. So that cos is negative. Correct? Then simplify. That equals 1 by 2 into bracket 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x into minus cos 60 degree standard angle. What is the value of cos 60 degree? You know, 1 by 2. Right? That 2 get cancelled. Okay. That is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket 3 plus cos 2x plus into minus cos 2x into 1 cos 2x, right, minus cos 2x plus cos 2x cancel, 1 by 2 into bracket 3, those are cancelled. Now 1 into 3 divided by 2, that is equal to RHS. Most important problem, 5 marks. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅಲೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಂತರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 13. Prove that cos x plus cos y to the power of 2 plus sin x minus sin y to the power of 2 is equal to 4 times cos squared x plus y divided by 2. Okay, now here take LHS. Cos x plus cos y to the power of 2 plus sin x minus sin y to the power of 2 is equal to RHS part 4 times cos squared x plus y by 2. Okay, how to solve? There are two methods. First method is cos x plus cos y to the power of 2. Put cos x equal to a and cos y is equal to b. It is in the form a plus b whole power 2. Expand a plus b whole power 2 formula, you know, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, put sin x equal to a, sin y is equal to b, a minus b whole power 2. You know the formula. Then simplify. This is one method. Another method is by using the transformation formula. What is the transformation formula? Put x is equal to c. X is c and y is equal to d. It is in the form cos c plus cos d whole power 2. Cos c plus cos d whole power 2. Limit power 2. Power 2 bit and b. What is the value of cos c plus cos d transformation formula? What is that? 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d value 2 times cos of c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 whole power 2. Right? Now cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d. C under x plus d under y by 2 into cos of c minus d. C value x, d value y by 2 whole power 2. Right? Similarly, same concept. Put x equal to c, y is equal to d. It is in the form sin c minus sin d. Now sin c minus sin d formula, do you remember? What is that? 2 times cos of c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Transformation formula. Then formula. Okay. Here is 2 cos c plus d by 2. C value x plus y by 2 into sin c minus d x minus y by 2 whole power 2. Then go on, simplify. You will get the RHS part. That equals expand, squaring 2 square 4 into cos square x plus y by 2 into cos square x minus y by 2. Correct? Again same method. 2 square 4 into cos square x plus y by 2 into sin square x minus y by 2. Right? Now among those two, ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನು ನೋಡಿ? 4 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಮತ್ತೇನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? cos square x plus y by 2, here also cos square x plus y by 2 common, so that 4 times cos square x plus y by 2 take common. ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos square x minus y by 2 ಹೌದಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin square x minus y by 2 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ 4 cos square x by 2 x plus y by 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಓಕೆ now that is 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into bracket put x minus y divided by 2 say theta ಇದಕ್ಕೆ theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ x minus y by 2 here also x minus y by 2 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ theta ಅಂತಾನೆ because both are same ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ it is in the form cos square theta plus sin square theta. You know the formula, trigonometric identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to what? 1. Okay. Cos square theta same is right? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. Cos square beta plus sin square beta is equal to 1. Same term into the x value is 1. So 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into 1. 4 cos square x plus y by 2 that is equal to RHS. Clear? Similarly, 14th problem, same type. Never solve ಮಾಡೋದು same type ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. What is that? Prove that cos x minus cos y to the power of 2 plus sin x minus sin y to the power of 2 is equal to 4 times sin square x plus y by 2. Right? Again apply transformation formula. Put x equal to c and y is equal to d. It is in the form cos c minus cos d. What is the formula for cos c minus cos d? Then cos c minus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Whereas cos c minus cos d is equal to, what is that? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Remember the formula? Okay. Now here cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. What is c value? X plus y by 2 into sin c minus d. What is c value? X minus 1 by 2 whole power 2. Right? Plus again second term apply transformation formula. Put x equal to c, y is equal to d, sin c minus sin d. You know the formula. What is sin c minus sin d? 2 cos c plus d by 2, c value x plus 1 by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, c value x, d value 1 by 2 whole power 2. Right? Then expand. Minus 2 square, minus square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus 2 square 4 sin square x plus y by 2 into sin square x minus y by 2. Right? Plus again 2 square 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into sin square x minus y by 2. Right? Now again from those two, what is common term? Common in only I think 4 sin square x minus y by 2 common ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 4 ಇದೆ here also 4 ಹೌದಾ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ sin square x plus y by 2 ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಉಳಿತು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ cos square x plus y by 2 ಉಳಿತು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ that is equal to 4 sin square x minus y by 2 into bracket put x plus y divided by 2 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ theta ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ this is also theta ಯಾಕೆ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x plus y by 2 ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus y by 2 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಥೀಟಾ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta using trigonometric identity how much 1 ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, that is equal to 4 sin square x minus y by 2 into 1, that is sin square x minus y by 2, that equals RHS ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ sin square x plus y by 2 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, sin square x plus y by 2, this is x minus y by 2, make it correction. Okay, next problem, problem number 15. Again 5 mark question. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to 4 times cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. Now take LHS to prove RHS. What is LHS? Sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to, again apply transformation formula. Take first two term, put x is equal to c, put 3x is d, it is in the form sin c plus sin d, correct? Sin c plus sin d. What is the formula for sin c plus sin d? Transformation formula 2 sin of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2, right? Sin c plus sin d is equal to sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Now here 2 sin c plus d, what is c value? X, d value 3x by 2, right? Into cos c minus d, x minus 3x by 2, right? Plus again another two term, apply same concept. Put 5x is equal to c, 7x is equal to d, it is in the form sin c plus sin d. Again apply same formula, 2 sin c plus d, c value 5x plus d value 7x by 2 into cos of c minus d, 5x minus 7x by 2, right? Then further simplify, that is equal to 2 sin x plus 3x 4x, 4x divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 2x, correct? Into cos x minus 3x minus 2x divided by 2, 2 2 cancel, how much? Minus x, plus 2 sin 5x plus 7x 12x divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 6 are 6x into cos 5x minus 7x, how much? Minus 2x divided by 2, 2 2 cancel, minus x, right? Now that is equal to 2 sin 2x cos of minus x allied angle, then cos of minus x is equal to plus cos x, because minus x lies in 4 quadrant, in 4 quadrant cos and sec are positive, plus 2 sin 6x, again cos of minus x equal to plus cos x. Now from those two, what is common? 2 common ಇದೆ, cos x common ಇದೆ, ಇದು common ಇದೆ, ಇದು common, ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, sin 2x plus sin 6x or sin 6x plus sin 2x, sin 6x plus sin 2x. Okay, now that is 2 cos x into bracket, again apply transformation formula, put 4x is equal to c and 2x is equal to d, it is in the form sin c, c value ಯಾವುದು 4 6x, d value ಯಾವುದು 2x, sin c plus sin d, apply transformation formula, 2 sin c plus d by 2, 6x plus 2x by 2, right? Into cos c minus d, 6x minus 2x by 2, right? Now that is 2 cos x into bracket 2 sin 6x plus 2x 8x divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. How much? 4x. Into cos 6x minus 2x. 4x divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is 2x. Right? Rearrange. 2 into 2. 4 cos x. 4 cos x into cos 2x into sin 4x. That equals RHS. Very simple problem. 5 mark question. Practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡ್ದ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Next problem. Problem number 16. Prove that sin 7x plus sin 5x plus sin 9x plus sin 3x whole divided by cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 9x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 6x. Very simple problem. Again, that is also 5 mark question. Expected question. They will ask in final exam how to solve. Take left hand side. What is LHS? Sin 7x plus sin 5x, right? Plus sin 9x plus sin 3x divided by cos of 7x plus cos 5x plus cos of 9x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 6x. Now that is equal to, take one by one term, put 7x is equal to c, 5x is equal to d. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ c ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ d ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? It is in the form sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d transformation formula. ಮರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Remember? Okay. Now here 2 sin c plus d by 2. C value 7x, d value 5x by 2 into cos c minus d. 7x minus 5x by 2 plus again put 9x is equal to c, 3x is equal to d. It is in the form sin c plus sin d. Apply same formula. 2 sin c plus d by 2, 9x plus 3x by 2, right? Into cos of c minus d, 9x minus 3x by 2, right? Then simplify, you will get required answer. That is equal to 2 sin 7x plus 5x. How much? 12x. 12x by 2. 2 ones are 2, 6 are 6x. Into cos 7x minus 5x. 2x. 2x by 2. 2 cancel. That is x. Plus 2 sin 9x plus 3x. 12x by 2. 2 ones are 2, 6 are. That is 6x. Into cos 9x minus 3x. 6x. 6x by 2. 2 ones are 2, 3s are. How much? 3x. Right? Now here one more term. This is numerator value divided by, take denominator. Then after that simplify numerator. Divided by denominator value is nodi. Again put 7x is equal to c, 5x is d. It is in the form cos c plus cos d. What is the formula for cos c plus cos d? Is equal to transformation formula. Then clear? What is that? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Remember that formula. So 2 cos c plus d, 7x plus 5x by 2 into cos c minus d, 7x minus 5x by 2, right? Plus again cos c plus cos d, same formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2, 9x plus 3x by 2 into cos c minus d, 9x minus 3x by 2, right? Now that is equal to 2 sin 7x plus 5x, 12x, 12x by 2, how much? 6x. Into cos 7x minus 5x, 2x, 2x by 2, 2 cancel, x. plus 2 sine 9x plus 3x 12x by 2 2 ones are 2 6 are 6x into cos 9x minus 3x 6x by 2 2 ones are 2 3s are 3x divided by 2 cos 7x plus 5x 12x 12x by 2 is 6x into cos 7x minus 5x 2x 2x by 2 is x plus 2 cos 9x plus 3x 12x 12x by 2 6x into cos 9x minus 3x 6x 6x by 2 3x okay ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ in between these two terms plus sign ಇದೆ so what can you do in the numerator take the common term common ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 2 common ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೇನಿದೆ sin 6x common ಇದೆ 2 sin 6x common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯಿತು cos x plus cos 3x correct divided by in the denominator what is common 2 cos 6x common remaining value cos x plus cos 3x ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿದೆ ತಾನೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು cos x plus cos 3x plus cos x plus cos 3x cancel 2 2 cancel ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು ನೋಡಿ sin 6x divided by cos 6x correct sin divided by cos what is the formula sin divided by cos is tan 6x is equal to RHS very important problem 5 mark question practice it okay yes dear students last problem in this type that is in transformation formula last problem problem number 17 what is that prove that sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x is equal to 4 times sin x into cos x by 2 into cos 3x by 2 okay x solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು just I will give hint now put 3x is equal to c ಇದಕ್ಕೆ c ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ and 2x call it as d it is in the form sin c plus sin d sin c plus sin d apply transformation formula you know okay then go on simplify it will get right hand side value okay so try yourself this is homework problem idu nimu homework try ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ so this completes the transformation formula in trigonometry now here last result in the trigonometric section last type in trigonometric section that is known as solutions of simple trigonometric equations okay so next class we will discuss about last topic in trigonometry that is solutions of simple trigonometric equations another name is general solution of simple trigonometric equations okay now thank you one and all